BingX, a trusted global crypto exchange. Trade spot, futures, or copy top traders easily. Sign up via the link or referral code to get 30 USDT instantly, plus up to 1,500 USDT in bonuses for verification, deposit, and trading.
The gentle, deliberate footsteps of baby giant tortoises, once a hopeful sign for the future, have become a rare whisper in recent years. But this quiet concern is now giving way to a surge of optimism, thanks to a groundbreaking achievement in the Seychelles, the very first successful artificial incubation of these magnificent creatures. Just 1 week after this pivotal intervention, a baker's dozen of these miniature giants are already building their strength, their tiny appetites appeased by slices of banana and fresh leaves. These vulnerable newcomers are nestled in the very islands that harbor one of the planet's last remaining populations of Endangered giant tortoises, a species renowned for its colossal size and incredible lifespan, with individuals capable of reaching a staggering 250 kilograms and living well over a century. This remarkable success story began with 18 precious eggs, carefully retrieved from a single nest on Cousin Island by dedicated local conservationists. The scientific endeavor that preceded this was nothing short of revolutionary, employing a pioneering microscopic technique to meticulously analyze whether the shells held embryos at risk. The implications of this successful trial extend far beyond this single clutch. Researchers believe it holds the key to averting an extinction crisis for numerous other threatened species. As Alessia Lavinia, a Seychellois scientist leading the charge from the University of Sheffield and the primary author of a recent, pivotal study, aptly stated, this is a huge leap. It shows what conservation can do. Her team's extensive research, which delved into the reproductive rates of 5 different turtle and tortoise species, uncovered a startling truth. A significant 75% of unfertilized eggs were, in fact, fertilized, but tragically, the embryos within perished in their nascent stages. These findings cast a stark new light on the alarmingly low hatching success rates observed in wild Endangered giant tortoise nests. For decades, scientists have grappled with the mystery, and now evidence suggests that environmental factors, rather than any inherent genetic predisposition of the tortoises themselves, are the primary culprits behind these devastating failures. The history of the Endangered giant tortoise is a poignant tale of resilience. In the 19th century, hunting by sailors decimated giant tortoise populations across most Indian Ocean islands. However, the Endangered group, nestled within the Seychelles, miraculously survived this onslaught due to their profound isolation. This unique haven, teeming with over 400 other endemic species and boasting an extraordinary tapestry of landscapes, earned the atoll its prestigious UNESCO World Heritage Site designation in 1982. As a crucial hedge against the ever-present threat of extinction, some Endangered giant tortoises were strategically relocated to nearby islands, including Cousin Island, with the foresight of establishing vital backup populations should new dangers emerge. This prescient action has proven its worth, particularly as one of these sanctuaries is now slated for development into a luxury tourist resort, a project notably funded by Qatari capital, as revealed by The Guardian last year. Alessia Lavinia further elaborates on the reproductive challenges observed, noting that on some islands, the observed low reproduction rates may be a misleading indicator. The scarcity of juvenile sightings in recent decades, coupled with decadal studies consistently identifying the same adult individuals, has fueled concerns that the population's apparent stability might be a testament to the species' remarkable longevity rather than robust breeding success. While the current trial of artificial incubation, a collaborative effort involving the Save Our Seas Foundation, Nature Seychelles, and several other dedicated local conservation organizations, offers a critical lifeline to bolster numbers during times of crisis, it is not envisioned as a long-term solution. Nicola Hemmings from the University of Sheffield School of Biosciences emphasizes this point, stating, "Artificially incubating eggs is not a long-term solution. We can't have animals that need human intervention to take the eggs, hatch them and put back. We have to identify the variables that are impacting survival, and then see if there are ways to improve the natural nest environment." The team's ultimate aspiration is to share their invaluable findings and hard-won expertise with their scientists.